Is your console taking forever to download the latest update while your friends are already playing? Don't worry, because we are going to supercharge your connection and get those speeds up to where they should be. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are breaking down the absolute best ways to fix slow download speeds and eliminate lag on your network right now. The problem usually happens because your console is fighting for bandwidth or stuck on a crowded wireless channel. Even with fast internet, your hardware might be limited by outdated settings or interference from other devices in your home. Let's jump straight into the 10 advanced steps to maximize your download performance today. Step 1. Navigate to your network settings and switch your Wi-Fi frequency band from automatic to 5 GHz for a much faster data lane. Step 2. Move your router closer to the console, or use a high-quality Ethernet cable to bypass the instability of a wireless connection entirely. Step 3. Go into your advanced settings. Go into your advanced settings and change your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Step 4. Adjust your MTU settings by changing the value from 1500 to 1473 to help data packets travel more efficiently. Step 5. Pause and resume your current download, which can often force the system to find a faster and less congested server. Step 6. Close all suspended games and applications, because the system severely throttles download speeds while a game is running in the background. Step 7. Enable the Stay Connected to the Internet feature in your power-saving settings and download your games while the unit is in rest mode. Step 8. Assign a static IP address to your console in your router settings to prevent IP conflicts that slow down your local network. Step 9. Log into your router and enable quality of service, or QoS, to prioritize your gaming hardware over other devices in the house. Step 10. Check for any external storage interference by moving your USB hard drive further away from the console's wireless antenna. Here's a pro tip for you. If you are stuck on a 2.4 GHz connection, make sure your console is not sitting directly next to a microwave or a cordless phone. These devices operate on the same frequency and can completely kill your download speeds during peak hours. If you face any difficulty with these network tweaks or your speeds are still low, just leave a comment below. I will be monitoring the thread and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If these methods helped you get back into the game faster, please like this video and share it with your squad. Remember to subscribe to TechVibes for more straight-to-the-point tech solutions. You are all set to enjoy lightning-fast downloads and zero lag.